It's a video presentation of lot 312. This is a Haas Super Mini Mill 2. It does have the Mitaco pallet changer. This machine does include the pallets with the vices. So these 4-inch, I believe there's four 4-inch vices will come with. Got the probe. Right now I'm running the spindle at 2,000 RPMs. I've got to do it with the door shut, unfortunately. The tool touch off. And there's the other two 4-inch vices. I'm gonna go ahead and simulate a tool change. Actually, it's gonna want me to shut the door. I tried bypassing the door, wouldn't let me. Safety first. There we go. Alright. Now we're going to go ahead and move it around. Start with the x-axis. Try Z. It's a really nice machine. This concludes the video presentation of lot 312.